Riding high on India's push for domestic manufacturing and indigenization of defense equipment, defense-related stocks have had a dream run this calendar year so far. Shares of companies such as HAL, BEL, MTAR Tech, BDL, and Data Patterns have zoomed as much as 90% so far this year as compared to an 8% rise in the BSE Sensex. The sharp rally, however, is expected to stagnate in the near term as all positives have broadly been priced in. Companies may also not be able to deliver an outperformance every quarter that the street will look out for, analysts say.
Stocks cannot be really evaluated on a quarter-to-quarter basis. The order book actually plays out over a long periods of time, sometimes even 5 to 10 years. Now, they have got different milestone payments, so probably a lot of good news is already priced in. It was visible in some of the PSU stock which were trading at like 30-35x. Some consolidation is happening. One has to be more selective because the market probably wants the result every quarter, which is not going to happen. The order book can be lumpy in this case. So I believe one has to be more selective in choosing stocks. While the long-term story remains intact, the short-term could be a lot of consolidation.
The latest June quarter earnings of defense majors were subdued on a quarterly basis amid seasonal weakness and weak execution. The Q1 net profits of Hindustan Aeronautics, Bharat Electronics, Bharat Dynamics, MTAR Tech, and Data Patterns slumped 35 to 72% from the March quarter but grew 25 to 85% year on year. Revenue also saw a sequential contraction of 22 to 69%, while on a yearly basis, the revenue growth was in the range of 8 to 68%. Analysts say this muted performance has raised concerns about whether the valuations have run up ahead of fundamentals.
Limited floating stock and chase for revenue visibility has led to these high valuations. While temporarily these stocks look fully valued, if they deliver results beyond expectations in future led by better execution, then there is scope for these stocks to rise even more.
Jasani further suggests that early entrants can partly book profits in this space, while those looking to add positions should try SIPs for select stocks. Thus, investing opportunities should be identified at a company level, analysts say. Today, on August 17, equity markets will take cues from global markets and react to the minutes of the US Fed's latest meeting.
If you like this video, share it and subscribe to Business Standard. For more news, views and insights, log on to www.business-standard.com. Do also follow us on YouTube, Twitter, Facebook, Instagram, Telegram and LinkedIn.
He's making plans for an early retirement. Business Standard.